Textbroker Freelancer Platform Review Usage Experience. In this video, I'll provide an in-depth review of Textbroker, a well-known platform that connects clients with freelance writers for creating written content. Links to Textbroker and related resources are provided in the description below, so feel free to explore them after watching. Let's get started. Textbroker is a content marketplace designed specifically for businesses and individuals who need professional writing services, such as blog posts, articles, product descriptions, and more. It's an excellent choice for small businesses, marketers, and agencies looking for affordable and scalable content solutions without the hassle of hiring full-time writers. The platform operates on a unique tiered quality system that categorizes writers into levels based on their skill, experience, and writing samples. Clients can choose from these levels, ranging from 2 stars, basic quality, to 5 stars, top-notch expertise. This flexible pricing structure ensures that clients can find writers that fit their specific budget and content requirements. Additionally, clients can opt for direct orders, assigning work to a specific writer, or team orders, collaborating with a group of writers specializing in certain topics. One of Textbroker's standout features is its open order system, where clients post projects that qualified writers can claim. This allows for quick turnarounds, especially for bulk content needs. The platform also provides tools for plagiarism checking, keyword optimization, and SEO enhancements to ensure content meets modern digital marketing standards. Textbroker is best suited for businesses seeking fast and affordable content creation. However, because the platform caters to writers at various skill levels, clients should carefully specify their requirements to ensure they receive content that matches their expectations. For more specialized or creative writing tasks, it may be worth exploring higher-tier writers or direct order options. In conclusion, Textbroker is a reliable and budget-friendly solution for outsourcing content writing. Its user-friendly interface, diverse pool of writers, and scalable pricing make it a solid choice for businesses and individuals alike. If you think Textbroker could meet your content needs, check out the links in the description to learn more.